Hello, this is MV Rebel with the bottom bracket. This is for a Euro bearing installation. And the Euro bearings have two sealed bearings in them. See that? It's like two bearings in there. And this thicker one with the thicker threads goes on the right hand side. Well, depending if you have your adapter installed correctly. So that's going to go in like this. And the spacers that you get may or may not be needed. And this is a fine thread, so you got to be careful not to cross thread this. Now, yeah, we got to go backwards with this one. That they wouldn't go in. And then you tighten this with a wrench. And then you have these sealed bearings in here. And these spacers, this spacer is meant to go in the middle here, but I wouldn't bother because you might have to cut this spacer down to use it. But there's a whole bunch of covers and spacers, and you're going to see if you need them. With the... Okay, yeah, now this one is a little bit thinner, the threads are. I'm going to put this one in. So we have new loose, rattly, garbage bearings, cage bearings that can come loose here. All the bearings are in there. Now, this is the machined in the United States square taper 3/4 inch axle that fits into these Euro bearings. And it's a very tight squeeze. Very tight. Because it should be. You don't want that moving around. So after we get this, oh, it's going in there. That's good. Now when it goes to that side, it's going to be, oops, I got it in the wrong way. Okay, I'm going to pause this for getting ready to put the 3/4 solid axle in.